Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on the gold market. So we have discussed on weekend this great setup that we've got. Actually, we already recognized it on Friday, but on Friday it wasn't confirmed yet. So while on the, in the morning, but once the week has been closed, we've got the clear bullish grabber on the daily chart. I would say that this pattern is reliable by some reasons. First of all, we have confirmed that it exists also on the futures chart. If you take a look at the April chart of the gold, you could see that here we also have this grabber. And take a look by the end of the today's session, if we will get some minor upward continuation here, we could get another one in a row. That's also could suggest taking out of the top. But the grabbers on the gold market are not alone. So as you know from our Bitcoin analysis, we have grabber on the monthly chart of the Bitcoin, which is significantly higher scale of the signal. So we have the bearish daily grabber on the dollar index. I already showed it today in a video on the euro currency. I also suggest weakness in the dollar in the near term. So all these patterns together create healthy background for possible upward action on the gold. So currently in these circumstances, if you do not want to buy gold, that's fine. So you could not buy, but we just call you to not sell until this pattern stands in place. So wait when this riddle will be resolved. Either grabbers will complete the target or they will fail. In this case, it will be relatively safe to consider taking short positions. For now, with the performance that we see on other markets, in the gold in particular, we wouldn't consider taking new shorts. Yes, that's true that we talked about the midterm pullback on the gold market in the nearest term, suggesting that it has reached the local target. But this midterm forecast is for a few months, so it's 2 or 3 months. We do not know yet what particular pattern will trigger this retracement. And on this week, it seems that so hardly we will get it. So it seems that it needs a bit more time to trigger this performance. Now we are falling to the short-term patterns week by week that we are getting in every daily analysis. And for now, this is bullish pattern on the daily chart. A bit later, this also might be the sign of the bullish dynamic pressure, because you could see that the price action mostly stands flat while the trend on the daily chart is dropping. So very similar to things that we have on actually on the euro currency. So we will see. In the meantime, on the hourly chart, we've got the perfect start for this setup. If you take a look somewhere in the morning here, it was formed perfect bullish grabber on the hourly chart, and that was the particular great confirmation, great point for entry. It was formed right around the current time yesterday. So, and you can see right from this bullish grabber, everything starts and the market has shown this great upward action. But don't upset if you have taken position here. Currently, you consider retracement starts. It might be treated as a minor hand and shoulders pattern here or something like this. And market right now stands in a very comfortable point to consider taking the short, taking new long position. So now only grabber stands in focus. It means that the lows of the grabber right there will be invalidation point for this current setup. How to enter here, you could decide by yourself. This is very similar to the picture that we have on the euro currency. You could split your position in parts. You could wait for a particular level, for instance 33 if you would like to. You could take the whole position right here. It depends on your risk aversion, so what kind of risk you would like to take. Because, well, in general, overall situation stands really nice. So that's some questions that you could answer depending on your view on the current situation. Some traders drop time frames, watch for a particular bullish pattern, searching for minor patterns on the 5-minute chart, and take position based on these patterns. This is also a great issue. So just decide how it's more comfortable to you. But for now, as a bottom line, I would say that we do not consider taking any shorts, at least until grabbers are valid. Here, overall situation and the placement of the market right here, if you of course haven't got the position here. So overall placement and price performance points on the situation where theoretically we could make the decision on the entry, because market already shows the pullback, and that's the point that's more comfortable for taking the solution decision on a possible opening the long position.